Hey Mustang fans, welcome back to the Car Crash Test channel, where today we're breaking down the crash test results of the legendary Ford Mustang. This is one of the most recognizable muscle cars on the road, but how does it perform when safety is on the line? Frontal offset test. The good news? The passenger compartment held up well, and the knees and femurs of the driver and passenger were well protected. However, both airbags bottomed out, meaning the driver's head hit the steering wheel and the passenger's head hit the dashboard. Ford has improved the airbags in newer models, but the test still reflects this issue. Full-width rigid barrier test. For rear passengers, it's not great news. The rear passenger submarined under the seatbelt, leading to poor protection for the knees, pelvis, and chest. Head protection was also weak due to high seatbelt forces without pre-tensioners. Side impact test. Here's a win. The Mustang scored full points for side impacts with good protection all around, even in the challenging side pole test. Whiplash and AEB, whiplash protection in rear-end collisions? Unfortunately, it's poor, especially for rear passengers. The Mustang's AEB system performed well at low speeds, but the car's passive whiplash protection was inadequate, so it didn't earn extra points. Conclusion. In summary, while the Mustang excels in side impacts, it struggles with rear passenger safety and frontal crash protection. If you're thinking of buying a Mustang, these safety results are worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a deep dive into safety reviews just like this one. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.